Hello guys, in today's video, I am secretly hiding inside in my rival's base. I'm chatting my friend to help me in this challenge, but he's not online. Now, let's go. This is an SMP server. Look, it's XX Demon King. That's my enemy in Minecraft. I am secretly hiding in his base for one day. Let's go. I must sneak into his base. Nah, his name tag, bro. I'ma just sneak. Bro, what is he building there? You want to look. He's building a farm, I guess. I'ma just sneak around his base. I'ma dig my base here. I don't want to get seen by him. Nah, bro, that's him. He almost seen me. I thought I'm dead, bro. I'ma just make my base here. I'm just gonna expand it off camera. I'm almost finishing my base. I'm just not gonna make a sound because I think he can't hear me mining the dirt. Ah, bro, I'm so scared. He's right in front of me. I don't know what to do, bro. After he logs off, I'm just gonna go to his base and grab some loot. I'ma just go up to see what he's doing. I'ma just sneak past him. I don't know what to do. I think he's AFK, bro. Should I take the chance? Oh nah, he's not AFK, bro. Nah, bro, he's right in front of me. I'ma just head back to my base. I'm so scared. Finally, I'm safe. I'ma just grab some loot from my base and go to there. Now look here. Nah, my teammate has an enchantment table. And another portal too. Nah. I'ma just grab some loot from this chest, bro. Give me a little bit of like iron pick and some iron. I don't think so. Some torches. I'll need that, and some iron too. Not that much. And I'm ready to go now. Wait, I forgot one thing. Never mind. Never mind. Let's go. Must be very careful because I know he's there. Or he's just mining, I guess. I'ma just look if he's online. Yeah, he's online. I'ma be super careful, bro. I think he's inside the house. I'ma make a tunnel from my base to his house. I'ma just make a tunnel. He's there, bro. I'll just hide. Or maybe we can go there. I'ma just patch this up and I'ma take a chance, bro. I'ma run. I think he's AFK. Or I want him to log. Bro. Now he left, bro. I'ma go to his base and try to steal something. Nah, bro got a decent base. I'ma check down here if there's some good loot. Nice a chest. What's inside of it? Bro, lapis. Nice. I'ma take some iron too. And a stone pickaxe. And some wood. I really need that, bro. And stone and a little bit of sand for windows. Now that's it. I'ma go up now. I'ma go to the second floor if it has something. I'ma sleep. Nice. Now let's look at the third floor. And they got nothing here, bro. They're just finishing the roof. I'ma just head back to my base and organize it and fashion it. Now I'm back. I'm finished eating some chips. I forgot to turn off my Wi-Fi. Now I'ma just wait for the server. I'ma play. Nah, bro, the server's not on. The owner's not on. I'ma just wait like tomorrow or I don't know. Let's talk here, bro. Like if there's no players online, we can just raid their base and like build my base and like fashion it or design it. Like I'ma just hide from them, or if they see me, I'm gonna get banned, bro. I'ma just be super careful with that. And I'ma chat my friend tomorrow. I'ma see if they're gonna join me in this challenge or not. He's about to get banned from the owner because he got uh he like he like he uh like he broke the base of the owner and like stealed the loot. And I'ma just chat my friend and I hope he's not banned yet or anything like that. And that's it for now. I'ma just wait for tomorrow, I guess. And goodbye, guys. If you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's always free and you can change your mind later. Like, it's a small percentage that people has subscribed to me and that will help me out a lot. And I wish I get 1K subscribers until the end of 2026. Now, if you want to join the server name or the server port is this. That's the IP and the port is one, where I forgot. I think it's 18155. Now guys, the server is online. Let's transfer my base in 3, 2, 1, go. Now guys, look at my base. It's fully transformed and it has a floor. I'm sorry it has no roof, but my base looks nice and clean. And if you want to see me do this challenge again, to another player. Make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.